Map is going to change, and that's because people think nature is outside of them.
Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men with machine minds and machine hearts. You have the love of humanity in your hearts. And the power they took from the people will return to the people.
They put nature to the test and they get what's coming to them. That's what I say.
Hello fellow YouTube members, today is blog October 29, 2012. This is the voice of truth. Enjoy. Today I will be talking about the drug cartels. Drugs, the world's biggest illegal cells. Many use them, if not, they know people that have. They drive you insane, they force you to do things that can harm you or others. All that is true, but I don't want to speak about the drugs in general. I want to talk about the people that sell it, and what the government has done to stop them. For example, right now Mexico is divided into many regions, all of them dominated by a specific cartel. I do like the fact that the government really does not control it anymore. But the difference in between the governments and the cartels is, if you owe money to the government and do not pay, you get sent to jail. But if you owe money to the cartel and don't pay, you die. Since when do they have the power to decide who is to live and who is to die? They don't. The people are afraid of them the same way people are afraid of many things. I still do not understand why humans naturally fear the big bad guy with the weapon. They should join in to battle it. To show they can win the war. We do not require of the government to win. We only need to unite. I cannot stress it enough, the unity of humanity is the key in world peace. The world has seen the power of voice unification when Martin Luther King Jr. helped put an end to segregation. The government is afraid of acting and they will always be afraid. People with weapons taking control deep within the country, yeah, that could make any leader have fear. But they might be powerful now, but they started off like us. Normal people. I cannot say I have a solution to all the problems in the world, but all I can say is the war in between the government and cartels has left more deaths than World War I. And a lot of the deaths are innocent people at the wrong place in the wrong time. I am not choosing the sides. Once again, the world needs rules, but not the way they use them. I have no idea what has occurred to the old days. Maybe they are so long gone that they have joined the lines of a history book. The days where you could speak without the fear of jail or death. The days that people could dress as we wanted and not be called gay, goth, emo, etc. Not too long ago, innocent people I knew were savagely ripped from life. A bullet in the war took him and his father to the other side. But what is the government doing? Sitting back, saying that they are winning. But for what? To give us a false sense of hope, when all they have is fear. They try to take our rights away, by negating us the truth about our own country. The government is seeing what happens when people get tired of it. Riots, fights, protests, assassinations. For what we do defacement of their everyday computer utilities. We would never have to take this kind of action, if the Constitution was followed. If our rights was not just words written in the sheet of hemp paper. Life will never return to be the same unless we show that we are no longer afraid. Unless we take the blindfolds off. They attempt to stop what their minds can't comprehend. So make them understand that we are right and we have always been right. They think of us as mere puppets making the economy keep going. Yet we are not robots, we are not machines. We are humans, and we have the power of law on our side. For now, that is all I have to say. Please subscribe, rate and comment. I will respond to anything you say or think. Any questions or ideas for future blogs, please inbox to me. I will make sure to get to them as soon as I can. Hope you enjoyed. Have a beautiful day. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.